Good evening and happy Molina Monday. Today, I'm gonna give you 2 tricks to get your offers accepted in this historically competitive market. So trick number 1 is delayed financing. And what delayed financing allows you to do is remove the financing contingency, close on the home cash, and then immediately recoup your funds in the form of a cash out refinance. Now, typically when you purchase a home cash, you have to wait 6 months, all right? It's called the 6-month title seasoning requirement. But with delayed financing, which is an exception to that rule through Fannie Mae with conventional loans, also Freddie Mac, you are allowed to remove that financing contingency, close on the home cash, recoup your funds immediately. Now, it's commonly been used by investors for a very long time, but when COVID broke out, when inventory started plummeting, it started being utilized a lot more by people buying primary residences because you can pull a line of credit from your home equity line of credit, you can pull a line of credit from your 401k, you can also just use your liquid checking and savings. Now for a primary residence, it's an 80% loan to value. For a second home or investment property, it's a 75% loan to value ratio. And for an investment property, 2 to 4 units, it's a 70% loan to value ratio. Now, the funds have to be your own funds. They cannot be gifted to you by somebody else. Okay, so it has to be your 401k, your home equity line of credit that you're using to buy the home cash. Also, the new loan amount cannot exceed the purchase price. For example, let's say your friend gave you a great deal and you bought a home for $80,000 cash that is really could appraise for $300,000. All right, well, when you do the delayed financing, your new loan amount can only go up to that $80,000, okay? Also, it must be an arm's length transaction, meaning that the person that sold you the home is not your mom or dad or anything of that nature, that you do not have any affiliation with them going into the deal, okay? Now, trick number 2 is if you are a W-2 borrower, you have a very low debt to income ratio, you have a very high credit score, you have a sufficient down payment and 6 months reserves, on a case-by-case basis, we can authorize you to waive your financing contingency. Now, we must authorize you to do so, and your loan has to be fully pre-underwritten in our approval process, and all the documents must be reviewed and verified thoroughly. Because what this essentially allows you to do is say, hey, look, if I don't close on this loan, I'm gonna buy the home cash. So you have to be super well qualified. And again, it's a case-by-case basis. Now, those are my 2 tricks on how to get your offers accepted in this historically competitive market. Just to remind you, we were voted the #1 lender in Palm Beach County by the Palm Beach Post. If you need anything at all, any clients pre-approved, you yourself pre-approved, give me a call. All right, I'm here for you 7 days a week, 561-801-0260. And ladies and gentlemen, if you didn't see my video last week about how the Russia-Ukraine situation will impact the real estate market, make sure to check out that video, and also make sure to check out my 2022 Molina Monday forecast, because a lot of what I predicted has been coming into fruition. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm here to be a resource for you. I really appreciate all the viewerships, all the comments. Have an amazing week. Molina out.